In today's video, I'll be showing you this amazing deep condition that's going to help you to soften your hair. Okay, if you have dry hair, frizz hair, you are losing a lot of hair, this is going to soften and help you to grow your hair and help in stopping hair loss. So let's get the video started. So the first ingredient to be using is this Greek yogurt. This is the unsweet one. Okay, Greek yogurt helps to moisturize, strengthens, and promotes hair growth by nourishing the scalp follicles. Okay, and the next one I'm going to be using is 2 eggs. All right, I need 2 eggs like this. I'll be telling you guys all the benefits of the ingredients we are using in as the video goes. Okay, and the next thing we'll be using is oils, which I'm using coconut oil, and I'm also going to be using another oil as well. This coconut oil is the 100% coconut oil. Okay, so this is good. Then I'll be using almond oil as well. This almond oil, you can use it for your deep condition, treating of your hair, or you can use it for hot oil treatment. So we need a clean bowl just like this, and I'll be adding in all my ingredients inside this bowl, and we'll be mixing everything together. So the first thing I'm going to be cracking is the egg. Okay, these are 2 eggs I'm using for today's recipe. So egg has moisturizing nutrients, okay, that helps you to promote your hair growth, because egg has biotin, vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin D, and iron. Okay, so egg is really good for your hair follicles. All right, so I'm just going to be mixing everything together, mix it very well. All right, so the next thing I'll be adding is our Greek yogurt. As I said earlier on, Greek yogurt helps in moisturizing, strengthening, and also helps in promoting your hair growth. Okay, it moisturizes your scalp and also your hair follicles. All right, so it's good to apply this on frizz hair because it controls frizzy hair and also adds shines to your hair, and it also has protein as well. All right, so this is really amazing for your deep condition or your hair marks. The next ingredient I'll be adding is our coconut oils and almond oil. So the first one I added was almond oil. Okay, almond oil helps in stopping hair loss, it promotes hair growth. Okay, it adds shines to your hair, it treats itchy scalp, and I love the fact that almond oil is not a thick oil, it's a light oil. So mixing this together with my ingredient is really beneficial. So I'm also adding a tablespoon of coconut oil as well. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, it helps in getting your hair to grow by deepening penetration to your hair follicles. Coconut oil promotes hair growth and fights against problems in your hair. If you have like itchy scalp, dandruff, it's going to help you to fight it out. So I'm going to be transferring this in a jar just like this for easier application. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing content that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. I did suffer from hair loss and my edges were off, but right now we're on a space whereby we are having a healthier scalp. So I have washed my hair previously, and when I took down my mini braids, we have completed a 1 year in trying out this mini braids challenge, which was really awesome. Okay, it was very awesome. I love the growth I have. I love that my hair right now is very healthy. The thickness of my hair is fuller than before. If you're an OG, you'll know that there's a big shift and there's a big difference in my hair growth. Okay, so I am done washing my hair, and I decided to treat my hair by doing this deep condition because we are going to be going back to make the mini braids. Okay, so this is my go-to hairstyle. Okay, so I can't trade it for anything else now. All right, so guys, I'm just going to section my hair and start application. Okay, so one thing I will say about this mini braid, maybe I'm gonna do a challenge whereby I'll carry this mini braid for a month, we make it by myself, like lose it and replate it, then carry it again for another extra month, because of the matted part. Okay, carrying these mini braids for a very long time, for the whole 2 months makes it's not the ending part, like the middle part, when you start plaiting a hair, okay, that place that you hold and you divide the hair into three and start plaiting in that place, it makes that place to be very to be matted, okay. And when you're trying to unmat it, sometimes you might pull your hair when you're unmatting it. No matter how careful you are, sometimes you pull the hair. So what I'm going to be trying out again this month when I make a new braid, it's that I am going to try and replate it after a month by myself, not going back to the salon. I will lose the hairs and replate it by myself and see how it goes when I lose it finally. Yeah, so just apply this on your hair, massage. This is a very messy, it's a very messy technique, okay, which you see what I'm saying as the video goes on. So I'm applying it generously all over my hair. So as I said, it's very messy, so maybe you can do this in the bathroom, okay. So why I didn't do this in the bathroom is because there's no much light in my bathroom right now, so that's why I have to do it in this my space. Yeah, so you apply your use your hand and rub it in, okay. Make sure your hair actually takes everything in, yeah, because you can see it's all dripping all over my face, okay. But the end result of this is so good because this is going to help you to deep moisturize your hair. Your hair strand is going to be very soft after application, and your hair is going to be shiny, okay. So this is me doing some length check. Okay, like I'm super happy for the growth I have. Okay, my hair is very healthy. Like if you're an OG, you know that my hair is not healthy before. My hair is healthy from the root to the tips. Okay, so I am done, and I'm going to be packing this all back. Then I will cover it for like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we'll rinse this out. So this is after 30 minutes and my hair is ready to be rinsed out. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys the final look, and I'll take you guys in another video how my hair looks like after rinsing this out. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. My hair was super soft right here, like really soft. So if you want a softer hair when you have taken down your mini braids, or when you have taken down your twist or any hairstyle, try this deep condition. Your hair is going to love it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.